Sounds like a tiny flute when you breathe? That's wheezing. Let's decode it. Wheezing is a high-pitched, musical sound, usually when you exhale, caused by air squeezing through narrowed airways. Why? Your bronchi and bronchioles can get inflamed, tighten up, or fill with mucus from asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, allergies, or COPD. It can be soft or loud, sometimes only heard with a stethoscope. Other times, everyone can hear it. If you feel chest tightness or trouble catching your breath, get checked. Like and subscribe for more quick health explainers.